One night, a silver balloon swept me over the sea. Across the Atlantic I found myself headed towards Paris. I held on to the ropes for dear life. It was cold below some degree. The balloon burst and I started to fall. Then I woke suddenly. Next night I saw some whales swim Santa Monica Bay. I flew down to greet them and I watched them play. In my nakedness I swam and she spoke in a singing sonic way. The mother of them all took out my hate and then sent me on my way. Flying in my sleep, sleep. Well, I visit you almost every night. I float over your bed and you lay there with your open eyes as your husband sleeps in your arms. I can see that you're thinking of me. I made a mistake, I should have stayed. So I slide between the both of you. One kiss and I'll be on my way. Flying in my sleep. They say it's a gift, but it's a curse for me. Oh, I'm flying and I see broken dreams and tragedies. If I could, I would stay with you forever in a dream world that's complete. But I've got my life and you got yours. But in the night we'll meet. Well, I can't wait till the sun goes down to lay myself to sleep. Forget about